Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums on the side property of a triangle. Let's solve the first sum. AM is the median of triangle ABC. Prove that AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM. So here we'll first remember the side property of a triangle, which says sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Now if we see here what we want this greater than AM. Greater than AM. So we should consider triangles which has AM as one of its side. And hence we will consider ABM and AMC, these two triangles. So in triangle ABM, we want AM on to the small side. So something should be greater than AM. So in that case, we'll say AB plus BM is greater than AM. Using the side property. Similarly, in triangle AMC, again we want AM to be on the smaller side. Something should be greater than AM. And hence we'll use AC plus CM. Again we are using the side property. Now we will add these two equations. So first we'll add the left hand side first. So AB plus BM plus AC plus CM. And if we add left hand side, we'll add right hand side as well. So AM plus AM. And the equality or inequality will remain same. So, okay. Now if we see BM and CM, look at BM and CM. BM and CM. So if I add these two, BM and CM, what I get? I get BC. And therefore, AB plus BC plus AC. AC I can write it as CA. Because it's a line segment, you can use interchange the letters. So I'll write it CA. Is greater than AM plus AM is 2 times AM. And that's what we wanted to prove. So we have already proved. So what we have carefully looked at is which side this AM is. AM is on the lesser side. These three are on the greater side. So we used triangles which had AM because we wanted to use side property, and we kept AM on the lesser side. So we used the other two sides. The addition of other two sides is greater than AM. Let's solve one more. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Prove that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Now in this case, if we again look at it, we have a few sides here and a few sides here, and the lesser sides are AC and BD. So we want to talk about the triangles which include AC and BD as its sides. So let's talk about triangle ADC, this triangle. Okay, so let's just talk about that triangle. So here let's watch. AC and BD are on the smaller side, and AB, BC, CD, DA are on the bigger side. So we need to look at the triangles which have AC and BD as the sides, and we have to keep AC and BD on the lesser side. So let's talk about first triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, DA plus CD is greater than AC. Similarly, in triangle ADB, DA plus AB is greater than BD. Again, we'll take the third triangle ABC. AB plus BC is greater than AC, and in triangle BCD, BC plus CD is greater than BD. So we have used the length of side property in all these triangles, and we have found 4 equations, and we have taken care that AC and BD is always on the less side, and AB, BC, CD, DA are always on the greater side. Now we add 1, 2, 3, 4. I have DA and this side I have, and because we have added left hand side and right hand side, the inequality will remain same. And now let's look at things. We have DA here, DA here. We have CD here and another CD here. AB, AB, and the last one, which is BC and BC. So we have each of them 2 times. And similarly here as well we have AC 2 times, BD 2 times. So it would be 2 times AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Each of them we have 2 times is greater than 2 times AC plus BD. Here also we have these AC and BD 2 times. And now from both sides we can cancel out 2, and therefore what we get is, and this is what we said to prove, and hence proved. Let's solve one more example. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Prove AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times AC plus BD. Now let's look here. We have less than here. So now we want AB, BC, CD, DA on the left hand side, or on the side where they are less, and AC and BD we want to be on the greater side. So this one is a little different than what we did. What we are going to do is we are going to assume this intersecting point as O, and we are going to talk about these individual triangles, small triangles. Okay, we'll use the length of side property only, but we'll talk about these small triangles. And we want to keep the main sides AD on the less than side. So we'll talk about OA plus OD is greater than AD, or AD is less than sum of these two. So I'm just written it differently. AD is less than. Instead of writing OA plus OD greater than AD, I wrote AD less than them. So it is same. This is my equation 1. In this triangle, OA plus OB is greater than AB. OA plus OB is greater than AB. In this triangle, OB plus OC is greater than BC. OB plus OC greater than BC. Similarly, CD is less than OC plus OD in this triangle. So now I'll add all of them. What I get? AB, I'll write AB first, then BC, then CD, and then AD. Plus AD is same as DA. Less than, I keep them. So OA plus OB. Okay, so now let me see OA plus OC. OA plus OC gives me AC. And similarly, OD plus OB gives me BD. So OA plus OC or OA plus OC is going to give me AC. And OB plus OD is going to give me BD. And hence I am getting AC once, AC twice, BD once, BD twice. So I am getting 2 times AC plus BD. And therefore 2 times AC plus 2 times BD, which is 2 common AC plus BD, and hence proved. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.